Alright people, so it is 5 in the morning, I think. Yeah, 5 in the morning, 5:45. And I have to go on a flight to Florida. And I'm not packed or anything. And my flight's at 10. So it's 6 o'clock. My flight's at 10. I'm not packed and I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm the lord of doing everything last minute because I do this all the time. So what I have to do right now is go home, shower, pack, go to Stop and Shop, get food for Oliver, and then, yeah, and then get to the airport and stuff like that for the flight. So, yeah. Anyhow, I hope this all goes according to plan, because if it does, then we'll get the new project. If not, it's back to the drawing board and I'll be spending a week in Miami or Florida, whatever, for no reason. But let's not even put that type of energy out into the universe, and let's think positive. We're gonna get this car. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Some shopping, grab some food for Oliver and a feeder so I can just put the food in there and then he'll be good for a couple days. And then, yeah, I'm seeing there's an old Red Bull over here, so I guess I'm just gonna wait until later. I'll probably get some at the gas station. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Boom, and there's this gravity feeder set up, and we're good to go for Oliver. So yeah, let me grab the rest of my stuff and head out, because yeah, it's time to go. Alright, so we're going wherever, to the gate, I guess, E something another, but yeah. Yeah, so I'll get back to you guys when I'm seated and whatnot. Yeah, so we're heading on to the plane right now. So, yeah. Just gotta hope for the best, because as long as this car comes, it's like, you know, what we're looking for, then we'll be all set.
As part of our commitment to safety from the ground up, this plane was cleaned and disinfected, including tray tables, restrooms, other high-touch surfaces, and galleries.
Looks like I downloaded a show for no reason. Look at that, they got Ford versus Ferrari, so boom. No distingo. Alright, so we're out here in Fort Lauderdale. I'm about to actually get a lift, and we're probably going to grab the, go look at the car right now. If it checks out, pick it up, head to the hotel. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool. If you watch The Office, you know who said that. Alright, so we're in the lift right now, and we're on our way. So, I guess we'll go check it out and see. If it all goes according to plan, then it should be all good. And then we're also going to check and see if we find something for my dad too, because he also said he's looking for a car. So blue face, baby. Nice color. Here we go. Beautiful. Right, so this is the car. It's funny because the guy's actually Jamaican too. That's funny. But yep, Dakar on red. The only flaw is the automatic, but you already know it's nothing to swap that. So that's what we're gonna do a 5 or a 6 speed, most likely a 6 speed swap, and just call it a day. But that's it. So you guys can see it's Dakar 2, so it's the more pasty yellow color. It's pretty nice. It has the 50/50 tail lights. Has some sparkle wheels on it, so it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. So yeah, this is gonna be the new project, and I'll have it while I'm out here until they come pick it up, and then we'll continue from there. Well then, I'm the owner of a Dakar Yellow 328 IS. We lit out here in Florida. So now I gotta call the tow truck company and see how long it's gonna take for them to get here. It's probably gonna be Wednesday or Thursday. That should be good. Hopefully it's not Friday, because then I'll have to stay an extra day, but it's whatever. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little while. I'm about to go to the gas station and fill this thing up. Man, oh man. Yeah, people, this thing is pretty sick, if I do say so myself. And you guys know how I do. A couple weeks or a couple months, this thing's gonna be completely different. And I'm actually thinking of just getting rid of the interior and just doing a custom interior off rip, because I'll get back some money. Because I could probably flip this for, I could probably get like $1,200 for the interior, because the door cards are new. Let me show you guys. The door cards are new and repaired, which is, well, relatively, you know, it's like, this thing is pretty sick. But yeah, this thing is pretty sick. Like, look at the interior. It's yellow on red. Granted, well, yellow on like maroonish. Granted, I'm going to keep the yellow on red theme because that's like my dream spec. So I'm gonna do red leather door cards, red seats, red door deletes. I'm gonna do a red carpet. Literally the entire interior is gonna be red on red with some carbon bits. And then if I can, I'll do some custom carbon stuff, like some yellow forged carbon fiber on the inside, or I mean some red forged carbon fiber on the inside. So yeah, this thing is going to be insane, and I'm already looking for parts while I'm out here, gonna see if I can find anything. Let's see. Okay, that's just water from the AC. But yeah, this thing is pretty nice, man. I'm pretty satisfied with this purchase, and shipping is super cheap. So what I'm actually going to start doing from now here, from henceforth, I'm going to come out here and cop all my whips and just ship them down, because a lot of times you need rust repair on New England cars, and that costs a lot of money. Shipping is super cheap, like, especially right now. So I'm going to see what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the time that I'm out here. I told my dad that I'm going to be looking for something for us to do as well. So yeah, and then after the M3 sells, I'm going to come back out here and most likely grab the car for Turo. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys whenever. I'll probably upload this video as is right now, and then whatever comes next, I'll upload that in a separate video. But for right now, peace. Like, comment, subscribe. And you guys already know, like, if the E92 M3 was built that fast and had so much progress and everything like that, just imagine the E36. Like, this is going to be a wild ride. So I'll catch you guys on a little celebratory beer for the successful travel and car purchase. So that's what we're about to do. Let me kick the Louis off because, you know, we only travel with designer on this side. But yeah, I'll catch y'all motherfuckers later.